welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do unboxing my softbox that I bought from eBay. So if you don't subscribe yet, please hit subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's start. Okay guys, I already opened the box itself, so you have to have the instruction of course. And this one is a light. So meron siyang lights. Wow! Big lights, guys. Okay. And next is the tripod. So it's a tripod. Goes like that. Okay. And then this is probably the fabric cover. And a little triangle. Oh, lovely. Look. It's got a little fabric. Guys, oh, it's nice. It's very nice. I like it. It's like a mini umbrella, but obviously in the rectangular. Okay, so guys, it comes like this. It's really nice, and I've actually bought this for $18.99, something like that. But I will link the details below, so you can click on that and then probably get a new one for yourself. So it has a bag. Okay, that's the bag. So if you are traveling, carrying it somewhere, you can carry it because it's so light as well. I'm just gonna show you the fabric of it. It's a nylon. You can cover it. So that comes with like this. Okay guys. Okay, so simulan na natin i-build ang ating softbox. Okay guys, ngayon isa-set up na natin ang ating softbox. There you go guys. So, ito na yung ating napakaliwanag niya. Kaya, sobrang ganda din. So, ang gagawin sa lamin ko. So, ayan yung nakikita nyo. Ayan, with softbox. At, meron tayo light as well, which is the ring light. Pero ito, sobrang ganda niya kasi sobrang napapaliwanag niya yung image. Especially pag nag-video kayo, kapag nagba-vlog kayo, of course, napakaliwanag niya. Kaya subukan natin kapag walang ilaw. So guys, ayan. Ganito tayo kapag walang ilaw. Medyo maliwanag naman siya, pero mas maganda pa rin kung meron tayong softbox. I-try natin ngayon guys kung mas maganda kapag merong fabric sa kanyang unahan. Okay? Lagyan natin. Ayun lang guys. At sana na-enjoy nyo ang aking video. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe. And also hit the notification button below, and also please don't forget to like my video. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye.